Did you know that one simple food, eaten before 8 a.m., could keep your legs feeling up to 10 years younger? I'm not talking about pills, expensive supplements, or painful workouts. This is a common food you've seen many times before, but most people skip it every morning without realizing the damage they're causing. Here's the truth. After age 60, your legs are the first to show signs of aging. They carry your weight. They keep you balanced. They allow you to walk, stand, and stay independent. But studies show that adults can lose up to 1/3 of their leg muscle in just 10 years if nothing is done. This silent condition, called sarcopenia, doesn't hurt at first. It just sneaks up on you. One day you notice your steps feel heavier. Another day you stumble on the curb. Soon you're using your arms just to push yourself out of a chair. And sadly, millions of older adults are pushed into walkers, wheelchairs, or even full-time care. Not because of disease, but because their leg strength faded away. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept this. Weak legs are not just part of getting old. Your body is amazing. It can still rebuild strength, restore balance, and even reverse years of muscle loss, if you give it the right fuel at the right time. And it all begins with the very first thing you eat in the morning. Today, I'll show you 5 proven breakfast foods that protect and rebuild your legs, plus one little-known hidden dish that can completely change the way you walk, balance, and move each day. By the end, you'll know exactly what to eat to stop cramps, restore circulation, and keep your independence strong well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. So stay with me. This could be one of the most important health lessons you'll ever hear. First food in our list is whole eggs. Eggs are nature's muscle food, packed with nearly every amino acid you need to rebuild strength. The yolk, often unfairly avoided, contains vitamin D, B12, and leucine, the key nutrient that tells your body, build muscle now. One study found that seniors who ate just 2 eggs a morning regained significant leg strength in 8 weeks. And because eggs also protect your nerves, they help you walk steadier, with less wobbling or missed steps. Eat them within 30 to 60 minutes of waking. Boiled is best, but scrambled with spinach or tomatoes adds extra antioxidants and minerals for your muscles. Next, oatmeal topped with chia seeds. Oats give you steady energy all morning, while chia adds magnesium, potassium, and omega-3s to prevent cramps and improve circulation. This combination has helped countless seniors say goodbye to painful night spasms and start climbing stairs with more confidence. Third, bananas, nature's electrolyte pill. Potassium keeps your muscles firing smoothly. Without it, your legs misfire, leading to cramps, twitches, or that dragging feeling when you walk. A single banana in the morning can reduce cramps by up to 33%. Just be mindful if you have diabetes or kidney issues. A smaller, slightly underripe banana is best. Fourth, Greek yogurt. This protein powerhouse contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that protects muscles after your body's long overnight fast. It's also rich in calcium and vitamin D, both essential for strong bones and stable balance. Add some berries or cinnamon for extra antioxidants and taste. And don't forget fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines, even just twice a week. They provide omega-3s that fight hidden inflammation in the legs, improve circulation, and help your muscles absorb protein more efficiently. Studies show seniors who ate salmon twice weekly kept 27% more leg muscle mass than those who didn't. Now here's the hidden dish I promised. Steamed sweet potato, lightly sprinkled with Celtic sea salt. Sounds simple, right? But this combination refuels your muscles with slow-releasing energy, balances electrolytes, and relaxes tight leg muscles. Just half a sweet potato in the morning, eaten warm, can make your steps feel lighter, your balance steadier, and your cramps far less frequent. And here's something even more powerful. Pair these foods with simple morning habits that strengthen your legs naturally. Drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of mineral salt after waking. It restores hydration and circulation. Do a 3-minute balance exercise. Stand on one leg for 10 seconds, then switch. Sit up slowly instead of jumping out of bed. It prevents dizziness and falls. Get 5 minutes of morning sunlight for natural vitamin D, and never skip breakfast. Even something small like half a sweet potato or a boiled egg makes a huge difference. Every morning, you have a choice. Will your legs grow weaker today, or will you give them the fuel they need to keep you strong, balanced, and independent? Now you know the 5 best breakfast foods, plus 1 hidden dish, that protect your legs after 60. And you've learned 5 simple habits to keep your muscles, nerves, and balance strong. So tomorrow, when you take your first bite of breakfast, remember this: your legs are your life. Protect them, and they will carry you through the years with strength and confidence. If this video inspired you, please leave a comment below. Which breakfast food will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal the 3 healthy breakfast foods that secretly weaken your muscles. Stay strong, stay steady, and remember, every step you take is a step toward independence.